Hello everyone, it's time to install the Librosa library. As you know, it's very important, so we will try pip install Librosa. Librosa is the key of the project. This is audio project, so we are talking and we work a lot with the Librosa. If you remember in the Google Colab, so enter. Hopefully it will be, that's it. So let us test it. Control L. So Python import Librosa. Okay, cool, imported. Print Librosa dot underscore version underscore and enter. Librosa is not defined. Oh, sorry. Lib. Cool. So we have 0.10.2 exit. It's now exit. It's now time to bring our model from the Google Drive. So this is our model, and I will download our model to this computer. Download. It's, if you remember, it is download anyway. It is .h5 model that we was working, and if you remember, it is around 750 mega, less than 1 giga. I will pause for a while. Okay, I have the model now here, as you see here in my PC, in my laptop, and it's the time to take the model from the laptop to the Raspberry Pi. So I would like to move the model from my PC here, model.h5, to the folder which is Ahmed Audio. This is the actually the Raspberry Pi 5. So how can we do that? We will call the software called FileZilla. We will use this software. The host name is Ahmed. The username is Pi. The password is 1. The port is 22. Go. Save password. Okay. Okay. Always trust. Now it's connected to the Pi. So let us search for our model. Actually, we don't need this anymore. We are focusing here. So in the download, actually here. Okay. Users, all users default. Let me search for the for the model and the download and back to here. I think here. My documents now download. Yeah, that's it. Downloads. Double click. Let me search. I will pause for a while. Okay, I found the model, the H5 model on my laptop here. It's not in all users. No, it is on the not the default user. It's on this to Ahmed user. This is my name actually. Go to the downloads here, click on download, and you will find all downloads file. This is my model H5, and this is around 800 megabyte. And the right side of the FileZilla actually is the Raspberry Pi. So I will go for Pi. My folder is mounted on desktop, Ahmed Audio. So browse the desktop, and as you see here, so you can just double click. So now it's the time to drag and drop the model from the left side, which is the laptop, to the right side, which is the Raspberry Pi. It will take some time because it's not a simple file. So as you see here, and I will pause for a while. I can show you the progress of the copying from the source, which is the C drive. laptop to the destination, which is the Pi desktop Ahmed Audio. So this is the progress of the copying of the AI model. I will pause for a while. It's about to finalize the copying of the model, as you see here. Transfer finished and all files successfully transferred. Thank you, FileZilla. This is why we need it. So no, you don't need it anymore. And actually, if you can see here, the temperature of the processor of Raspberry Pi 5 is still under control, even if there is some kind of moving of files. Let's check the model if it's here. Everything is fine. The model is here. Now I will do the important step of creating a new file, and I will call it app.py. So your application, Python application will be here. So first of all, we need to do some kind of coding. So double click on this file. No, right click. I will. We have two options to open the Gianni. Okay, no problem. So I will say import. I will maximize and I need to zoom. Okay, import TensorFlow as TF. Import Librosa. What else we need? Okay, print. Okay, import. Let me just inspect this code. Control S, and I will run through the Control L. I will run this appy file through the command prompt under the activation of the environment. So we will say Python space up. The name of the file is up.py. Up.py. Okay, there is some missing, so let us fix it. Oh, sorry. Double quotation, Control S, go back to the environment, and again, Python up.py. So the libraries are working properly. Now let me import the model. The model is the same directory here, and we need to remember the path of the model. Control copy, and I will import the model using Keras. So back to the code, and from, I will say from Keras dot models, I think Keras dot models, import load model. Yes, import load underscore, thank you, model. Thank you, Gianni. Now we will call it model equal load underscore model. Yes, and open brackets. Sorry. Give me the path, single quotation, and Control V, because we already copied, backslash. The name of the model is model.h5. Yes, close single brackets, comma, compile equal false. Compile, yes, equal false. And give me a print acknowledgement. So print, if we pass this step, it will be a big step. Okay, load model. What's going on with the brackets? I don't know why. Yes. Okay, Control S. Hopefully it will be loaded. So let us go back to the Python environment here, and I will call it again. Uh, from Keras, cannot import load model from Keras. Why? Any clarification? Line 6 from Keras dot models import load oh, sorry, it was wrong spelling module. It's wrong, you see. So we'll go back. Load models like this, I think. Yes, and even here, model. Control S and go back. Enter. Okay, import. Okay, load model. Now we have succeeded loading our AI model. This model is not a small model. It's around giga model, 1 giga size, 800 mega. I think we have done a lot of, and now it's the time to dive through the serious work on the activation of this model. See you next video. Thank you.